Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to download a YouTube video to mp3, by using a 4K mp3 downloader. I'll leave a link below that'll direct you to the site where you can download the software for free. Step 1, open your browser and search for 4K video to mp3. Step 2, select the first option. Step 3, click on Get 4K YouTube to mp3. Step 4, once it's downloaded, open File and navigate to Download to install it. Step 5, once it's successfully installed, launch it and then go to YouTube and copy the URL of the video you wish to download as mp3. Step 6, click on Paste link to start downloading. Once it's downloaded, you can click on the folder icon to view it where it's saved or play the audio. Thanks for watching, please subscribe.